Hey dolls and gents, in the middle of moving, but I need to do this video so I can unpack this box because I am so sick of boxes being every freaking where, okay? Okay. So a couple of orders came. No makeup on, I'm sorry y'all. She ain't beat for this video, okay? Got my headband wig on from AliExpress that I told y'all about. Been running all day. I did dye the wig. And it did dye very, very well, as you can see. I didn't dye the whole thing because I was kind of afraid, like I didn't know how it was going to turn out. But now that I see that it took color very well, I'm going to go ahead and kind of dye it some more. I may just leave it alone because I've already ordered another headband wig, and that one is in full color, 27. So I may just leave this alone. Like I said, this is my runaround wig. I didn't do like everybody else and put a colorful headband or a bling headband on it. I bought the headband wigs for running, okay? And believe me, I have been running around with this move, and on top of that, I now have a toothache. So if you see me talking funny between Thanksgiving, moving, and this toothache, it's not gonna work. Okay, so I took a pain pill, so I'm gonna do this video so I can finish unpacking. So let's see who this one was from. I know who this was from. I've ordered from her before. One of these she said we can't show because YouTube is tripping. If y'all don't know, it's very difficult. YouTube will block you, take off stuff, and do all kinds of stuff. So I want to make sure that I give her a shout out because she always comes through for me. The black set. I cannot do close-ups of the black set, okay? No close-ups of the black set because of some copyright thing or something. They will find a way to get you. So I am going to show you the black set because I absolutely love her work. This girl is Fabulize You on Instagram. Tell her Fearless sent you. Even if y'all go follow, just say, hey, Fearless sent me. It's Fabulize You. She will respond. She will not leave you hanging. It is FABULIZEU. And I'm going to try to remember to go down below and edit this video with the names and stuff. She will respond. She will custom order. And I've ordered from her before. And I know if you follow me, you know it. She will custom order and make your... This one has some logos on it, so I'm not going to bring it close up. She gets my wrist size right. And you guys, the bling, y'all can't see it on this one. I'm going to show you the other one she did. The bling on this baby here. Oh, y'all, I got a Coke. Oh, CC hat and everything. Each one has about 3 or 4 charms on it, which is what I told her I wanted. You can show her a picture of anything. There's some gold ones. I like that she did that too. I have some gold ones, some with gold charms and some with silver. Okay. And I got 5. So when I wear them stacked. So this is the black set. Follow me on Instagram because I have to ask her. She said something about the video, not close-ups, but she didn't say Instagram. So I'm going to post on Instagram. I'm going to lay it out like that. So y'all can see, honey. And then she said this set is okay. I know that she did say that she's not going to be doing like the logo sets too much anymore or something. She's been moving away from the logo charms due to copyright. So, heads up. But she has a lot of beautiful stuff. It is Fabulize You. Like I said, she is on Facebook, Instagram, and she has an email. If you don't have social media, her email is fabulizeyou@yahoo.com. I'm going to take a picture of this so when I upload the video, I don't forget to edit for you guys and give you her information. Because in between moving, I might finish this video and start throwing stuff away. Okay, this one she said I can show you. Won't he do it, baby? Won't he do it? Won't he do it? So this first set has love and a blinged out football. second set has a shoe, love, a heart, and the sun. Third set has a crown and a heart. And the fourth strand, I think she calls it a strand. I love this. I don't even know what that is. Y'all tell me what that's supposed to be, because I love it. And there's one on the black one too. I am worth it is what the charm says, and queen. Okay. Your girl gonna be stacked. I'll just tell y'all that right there. Stacked. Stacked. Okay? Stacked. And I have one more set coming from her. That's gonna be an all white set. An all white set. Like an all blinged out white set. 5. Alright, let's see what else I ordered. In between this move, I don't even remember everything I ordered. Oh, this came from Poshmark. I sold something on Poshmark. And I wanted to try a lighter Morphe foundation. Y'all know I love Morphe foundation. This one is in F330. So I got this off of Poshmark. She, I think, had used it once and it wasn't the color for her. I'm hoping it's the color for me. Because I love Morphe foundation. And let's see, she threw in a Too Faced, I believe, in pink. She just gave me most stuff I need to get rid of. I believe in pink palette set. So pay attention, because you may see this on my Poshmark or Mercari. I'm very grateful for it, but I don't need it. I really don't need it. So I may put this on there like for cheap, just so I can get the shipping off of it. So that's that. That came off of Poshmark. Told y'all so much stuff came. I need to get this stuff out the way so I can finish unpacking. Oh, this came off of AliExpress. I got the 2 Buddha stainless steel charms. One is all white and one is tiger's eye. I have been dying for that tiger's eye. If you don't know the good luck and the good vibes that a tiger's eye stone and stuff brings, then I suggest you find out. So I got those 2, and I like that they are the big size. If you can't tell, they are very decent size to hang on my charm and be seen. So I got these 2, and these 2 are like a little bit bigger than my other ones. So I may order some more, because they had like yellow, and I don't know what stone the yellow was supposed to be in something else. So I may order some more. This young lady is on Instagram, so please go and support her. Una, and I'm saying these in case I don't edit the video fast enough. Una, U-N-A, space T-I-P-O-N-I. Okay? She gave me some cards as well that I will take a picture of to make sure you guys, she does handmade jewelry, custom made by Alyssa Williams. And it may be backwards because I know how the camera is, but I will get this information to y'all. And I'm also going to go ahead and take my Instagram picture so you'll have it as well. I had ordered, what was it, Black Tamilian? I think this was the Black Tamilian raw crystal necklace she threw in. She threw in the bracelet. And let me make sure. And this is a big stone. And I wanted a big stone too. I told her that I wanted a big stone. Where is it? Yeah, and on Instagram it's all together. U-N-A-T-I-P-O-N-I. This is the black tourmaline necklace and bracelet. If y'all not gonna be able to see how her page looks, her Instagram, please go support. And please make sure when you follow to comment under one of her pictures that Fearless Femme sent you. She also has a website where you can order. And this stone, this is a nice size stone. And she asked me, did I want a chunk? I'm like, baby, I like to be seen, okay? I want a chunk of that. And she did give me a chunk. And then, like I said, she threw in the bracelet with that. So I'm going to put this down here so she can get her picture. Do that in a minute. What else did you get? Oh, I have to find this girl. I found her on Facebook and I don't know how. But I can go through my messages and find her so I can edit it. But she had posted these bonnets. She answered really quickly. I don't remember how much it was. I want to say 20 with shipping. I want to say 20, guys. I'm going to give her Sky Couture. Yes, the card is kind of dark, so it was hard for me to read. Her Instagram, she does have Instagram, but I found her, I think, on Facebook, is SKYE.COUTURE. Okay? Sky Couture. That is her Instagram. She gave me a scrunchie. And this was the bonnets. She had a couple of them. She had some Chanel and a couple of them. I didn't want to do the Chanel one, and there was another Louis Vuitton one, but it was all white. I don't like to do all white like on my hair or around my face, so I ended up getting this one. I like the rubber around it. Do y'all see that? Like, that's quality. Like $20. Yeah, I can do that. $20. So I'm going to lay this out so she can get her shout out as well. I mean, the stuff that I order. Oh, this is, I don't remember where I got this from. This is either going to be Poshmark or Mercari. So this person does not need a shout out. Not to be rude, but that's where I got it from. Sometimes when I sell stuff on Poshmark or Mercari, I will go look for items that I've been looking for so I don't have to spend my own cash money. Like, you can sell stuff and spend the money back on there. So this was, he didn't send it with it, so I'm going to go look for y'all real quick. It is the Buddha necklace, but the stones, if I'm not mistaken, Mookite, Mookite is the stone, Mookite. It is a nurturing stone that supports and sustains during the time of stress. It brings peace and a feeling of wholeness. Helps with decision making, especially when you're having a difficult time. Encourages versatility and helps us to accept change. Provides with emotional growth and helps to discover all possibilities in a situation and choose the right one. And he has a whole paragraph of other things here. But I like good vibes. You understand? I like good vibes. And I like pretty stuff. And I just felt like this was really, really beautiful. And I could have wore it today, huh? And anytime I can get some good vibes, I will take them. Okay? Anytime. So that was that. This is part of baby girl's Christmas, but I'll show y'all. She loves Lilo and Stitch, and I got these to go on her car. They're car decals. So that's part of her Christmas. I got to go hide that in the room. And then the last thing, I think that was the last thing. Well, I'll show y'all this. I'm getting ready to set up my desk here at the new place because I'm going to be working from home sometimes. And I ordered this out for Amazon. It is the Bumblebee mouse pad set. It's really, really cute. It has the bumblebees on it, and then the armrest pad has bumblebees on it. Really, really cute. So that's why I said I'm ready to get all this stuff unpacked so I can finish unpacking. So I have held y'all long enough. Everything is unpacked. If you have any questions or I forget anything, hit me up down below, and also follow my Instagram because I'm finna take pictures right now on Instagram and tag these people. So if I need to go back and edit something, I can because I'm in the middle of a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next video.